Here we are. There's the boat. Everybody say hi. It's going to be a 3-hour tour.
3 hours? I swear this thing took 3 hours?
Yep.
I'm going to have a rash on my back.
Captain Robert LaMonica giving last minute instructions. Assistant Captain Tim Bailey.
Certified lifeboat.
And there's cabin boy Kevin Lynch. Wow, this thing is quite a ride.
I just pulled that out of my nose.
I think you should get off this boat if you're sick. You guys ready to roll? Ready to have some fun?
Ready?
Who's the captain?
Hey, say something. Say something funny.
Indian houses!
Luke.
Look at Indian houses!
Where's that sandbar? On that corner, right? On the corner.
Wow, there's nobody on the lake. Huh? Oh, we're going to the island? Ted, are you jumping in? Yeah. There it goes. Sebago Lake. Sebago 2009, getting boat trip. That was me. How's it going? Dad, you having fun?
Now?
Hey, Morgan!
What about Jake? What about Jake?
Come on, you guys were all chatting earlier.
I'm cold.
You're cold? What about you?
I'm even warm.
It's not even windy. What are you talking about? I don't know.
No one!
That's the best! That's the best!
Runs the best. Runs the best. Hey, we outnumber you guys. That's on camera. Joey. Brandon, didn't anyone ever tell you not to spit into the wind? Then it comes back and hits you right in the face. Captain's gonna go enjoy a dip. Went with the classic dive.
Is it cold? It's a little nippy. It's good though.
This is cabin boy Kevin Lynch. Zoologist and cabin boy.
What do you want me to do, Chloe?
Another solid dive. He's hustling back. Here goes Joey. Jump number 2. What are you going to do for us? How is it going to be a high degree of difficulty? 5.0?
That means jump, Joey.
That means you're ready to clear. I mean, you're cleared to go. Let's go. What a jump. What a jump. Judges. Judges.
10.
10. Timmy?
10.
Kevin?
9.5. From the rush.
Joey, 29.5. That's the highest score anyone's gotten today. Congratulations, you're in first. So cold. It's all the dirt on the bottom. You guys hear that? What is that?
Come on, Megan. What? What?
We have another contestant? Alex, you going? Jackie Kane?
You want to jump in the water? I don't know. Is it cold?
No, we're not pushing.
Timmy Bailey's the last contestant that could possibly take down
Judging this.
29.5 held by... Oh, wait a second! Wait a second! Wow. I think we got another rally going. We got another rally going. Who's got the horn? Who's got... There it is. Now he started another rally.
Come on, who started the rally? Oh, Jojo!
Who's that, David Lee Roth right there?
That was? Yeah. Go ahead, Chloe. Do a trick. Do a spin or something, Chloe.
Something fancy, come on.
Fancy. Come on, Chloe.
This is the grand finale.
All right. Spin.
Wait, I'm still thinking.
Let's think it out. Think it out.
Oh yeah, now we know.
All right. Oh.
Just going in for another one.
Good, do a dive. Get the life jacket on. So
Can you my towel, somebody?
Oh.
What happened, Jojo? You just...
The crazy bush people.